Shopping for car insurance doesn't have to be confusing. Here's a quick guide to the main types of coverage and what each one protects. Liability coverage is required in almost every state. It pays for injuries and property damage you cause to others, but not repairs to your own car. Collision coverage could help pay to repair or replace your vehicle after a crash, regardless of who caused it. Comprehensive coverage picks up where collision leaves off, generally covering theft, weather damage, vandalism, and more. And since 1 in 3 drivers are uninsured or underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage could protect you if an at-fault driver can't cover the bill. Together, liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage make up what's commonly called full coverage. The right mix depends on your car, your budget, and how you drive. Review your policy yearly or anytime something big changes. Discover smart ways to help protect yourself and your finances. Head to AAA.com/connect and explore our free educational insurance resources today.